Apple just did something interesting. They cut the price of the new iPad Air. This is unusual for Apple. They are known for premium products and premium prices. So, what's going on? This price drop is even more surprising because it's a new product. The iPad Air was just released recently. Usually companies wait a while before dropping prices. It seems like something is making Apple adjust its strategy. To understand this move, we need to look at the bigger picture. The relationship between the US and China is complex and multifaceted, involving not just trade, but also technology, politics, and global influence. The US and China are in a trade war. This conflict has escalated over the past few years, with both countries imposing tariffs on each other's goods, affecting global markets and economies. This has been going on for a while. Key events include the imposition of tariffs, negotiations, and retaliations, creating a cycle of economic tension. It's a battle between the world's two biggest economies. The stakes are high as both nations vie for economic dominance and technological superiority. And tech companies are caught in the middle. These companies rely on global supply chains and markets, making them vulnerable to the impacts of the trade war. Tariffs are a big part of this trade war. They are used as tools to pressure the other side, but they also have significant consequences for businesses and consumers. These are taxes on goods that are traded between countries. Tariffs can increase the cost of imported goods, leading to higher prices for consumers and disruptions in supply chains. The US has imposed tariffs on Chinese goods. This move is intended to protect American industries and reduce the trade deficit with China. And China has retaliated with its own tariffs. China aims to counteract the US measures and protect its own economic interests. This trade war is making things more expensive for companies like Apple. Increased costs of components and manufacturing are passed on to consumers, leading to higher prices for products. Economists warn that prolonged trade tensions could slow down global economic growth. The uncertainty affects investment decisions and can lead to market volatility. Diplomatic efforts continue, but finding a resolution is challenging. Both sides have deep-seated issues and strategic interests that make compromise difficult. Ultimately, the trade war impacts everyone, from large corporations to everyday consumers. The outcome of this economic conflict will shape the future of global trade and relations between these two superpowers. So, why did Apple cut the price of the iPad Air? The US-China trade war is likely a big factor. Tariffs make Apple's products more expensive to manufacture. This price cut could be a way for Apple to stay competitive. Another reason could be competition. The tablet market is crowded. There are a lot of great options out there, even from brands like Samsung. Apple might be trying to attract more buyers with a lower price. Section 4. Good news for consumers. This price cut is definitely good news for consumers. With the cost of living on the rise, any opportunity to save money is a welcome relief. It means you can get your hands on a powerful tablet for less money. The iPad Air, known for its sleek design and robust performance, is now more accessible to a wider audience. The iPad Air is a great device. Whether you're using it for work, school, or entertainment, it offers a versatile experience that can adapt to your needs. It's got a fast processor, a beautiful display, and it works seamlessly with other Apple products. This integration makes it an excellent choice for those already in the Apple ecosystem. This price drop could push other companies to lower their prices too. When a major player like Apple reduces prices, it often sets a trend in the market. Competition is always good for consumers. It drives innovation and ensures that companies strive to offer the best value for money. When companies compete, we get better products at better prices. This is a win-win situation for everyone, as it encourages continuous improvement and affordability in technology. Section 5. The ripple effect. Apple's recent decision to cut prices on some of its most popular products could have a significant ripple effect on the entire tech market. This move is not just about making their products more accessible to a wider audience, but it also sets a precedent that other tech giants might feel compelled to follow. Other companies, both large and small, might have to adjust their pricing strategies to stay competitive. This could lead to a wave of price adjustments across the industry, affecting everything from smartphones to laptops and other consumer electronics. As a result, we could see more price drops or special offers in the coming months. Retailers might start offering more aggressive discounts to attract customers, leading to a more competitive market landscape. One thing is for sure, The tech world is changing rapidly. Innovations are happening at a breakneck pace, and companies are constantly looking for ways to stay ahead of the curve. The US-China trade war is a major factor influencing these changes. Tariffs and trade restrictions have forced companies to rethink their supply chains and pricing models. And companies like Apple are adapting to these challenges by finding new ways to innovate and stay competitive. They are investing in research and development to create products that not only meet consumer demands, but also set new trends in the market. It will be interesting to see how this all plays out in the long run. The decisions made today will shape the future of the tech industry, and we are all watching closely to see what happens next.